Hello, 大家好. Welcome back to Rackoflam. Throwing in some 国语 today because I will be making sambeiji in today's video. Sambeiji is a very popular Taiwanese dish that literally translates to 3-cup chicken, and it was named as such to reference the equal ratios between 3 main ingredients that are used to make the sauce to this dish: sesame oil, soy sauce, and rice wine. Traditionally, the dish is cooked in earthenware because the material allows the sauce to evaporate and become fully absorbed by the chicken. But like the recipe, cooking methods to this dish have evolved. So today I will be using this granite stone nonstick pan from Massasar, who was nice enough to send me this to try. So get your cooking vessels ready and let's make sambeiji. Leave me a comment below if you want to share your feedback, and please like, share, and subscribe. For this dish, you will need several cloves of garlic, which I'm a huge fan of, so I think the more, the better. But if you're not as big of a fan, 6 should be enough. You'll also need a thumb of ginger, cut into matchsticks. And now for the delicious sauce. In a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix until well blended. And here's everything you need: the sauce mixture, garlic and ginger, a bunch of Thai basil, 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks, skin on and bone in and cut into pieces, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now over medium-high heat, heat your sesame oil and swirl to coat evenly. This mom totally forgot to add the garlic and ginger first, so please do that instead. Stir fry them for about 15 seconds or until you can smell their aromas. Then transfer your chicken pieces into the pan and sear both sides until lightly brown. And yes, this is when I realized that I totally forgot about the ginger and garlic, but it's not a big problem. Here I've seared one side, and I'm now flipping the chicken over to brown the other. Once both sides of the chicken are lightly seared, pour the sauce mixture into the pan. Now cover the pan with a lid and simmer on medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. Flip the chicken midway to ensure the sauce coats each piece thoroughly. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. You may find that your sauce has already thickened. If not, keep the lid off and continue to stir the chicken and allow the sauce to reduce for about 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, add these vibrant basil leaves and stir until they're wilted. And now we're ready to plate our sambeiji. What I love about sambeiji is how each piece of chicken is coated with the sauce. While the chicken isn't drenched in the liquid, there is ample sauce to top your steamed rice, and the dish is so flavorful and aromatic paired with my favorite herb. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video and will consider giving this Taiwanese dish a try. If you do, leave me a comment to let me know how it went. Thanks for watching.